Recording in progress.
So, hello students. Hope you all are doing well. So, in our previous lecture, we had discussed about the Java typecasting and type conversion. And let's start our today lecture. Today, we will discuss about the Java operators. Okay. So, let me share my screen once. Then, we will continue our today lecture. So, hope it is visible now. So, operators in Java, okay? The operators are used to performing the operation on a variables and value. See, if you have to perform any kind of operation on your variable, then we are using a concept of operators in Java. Okay, so uh, as you all have used the concept of operators in Java, like add, multiplies, divide. These all are the arithmetic operations that we had already used in our maths. Okay, and in the term of your language, programming language, we call them as a operator. Okay, so it is used to perform any kind of operation on a variable. Okay, let's take an example like int x. Let's uh, take a variable x and 100 plus 50. Okay, so here your plus is acting like a operator between these two constant value. Okay, so by using plus, so we are trying to add these two values. Okay, so this is acting as a mediator. This is acting as operator in Java. Okay, so Java divide the operator into the following groups like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and bitwise operator. Okay, so first of all, let's understand the basics of operators. So let me open my VS Code and see. I had already created my class. Okay, okay. Let's create an another file that is day. I think it's a eighth day 8 dot Java. Okay, so your class name is same as your file name. Now let's declare main function inside it. So int x is equal to 100 plus 50. Okay, so here your plus sign is acting as a operator between 100 and 50. It is acting as operator between 100 and 50, and by using this operator we can add these two value, and after this successful addition we can store by using this operator in the x variable. Okay, so if you are trying to print here x, okay, then what should be the output? 100 plus 50, that is 150. Okay, 150. So let's run. Then it will print the value of x is 150. See, 150. Okay, and if you are taking as anything, let's take divide, then what should be the output? 100 upon 50 is equal to 2. Let's run it. The output is 2. Okay, so it is acting like a operator between these two constant values. Okay, so there are some following groups of your operator that are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and bitwise operator. Okay, so arithmetic operator, it is used to perform a mathematical computation. Okay, like in maths we had taken the concept of addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. These all are come under the arithmetic operators. Okay, so let's understand the arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operator, arithmetic operators. Okay, so let's first of all take a variable, anything you can take. Let's a a is equals to 120 plus 40. Okay, 40. So this is your arithmetic operator. Okay, and if you are trying to print here a, then it will return the value. And now by using the operator you can also perform the summation on a variable. Okay, so here your a is the int type variable. Now what I'm gonna do that b is equal to a plus 10. Here I'm trying to add a integer type constant value with a variable. Okay, then it is also possible in Java. Okay, you can add a variable with a constant value, then it will return the summation of your a and 10. Let's print the b. What should be the output? Your output should be the 120 plus 40 plus 10, then 170. Okay, so this is called your Java arithmetic operator. Okay, you can perform the multiplication here, you can perform the subtraction here, and also you can perform the division here as well. Okay, so here are the some examples of your arithmetic operator. You can say that, see, plus is your addition, add together two values like x plus y. Okay, minus is your subtraction, subtract one value from another like x minus y. Multiplication is the multiply two values like x into y. Same as that is, this is called your modulus. This arithmetic operator return the remainder of your values. Okay, so if you are, see, let's take an example for your modulus operator. Okay, so here is 10, 10 modulus. I can take anything like, let's say 3. Okay, so this this operator will gonna return the remainder value of the numbers. Okay, so 10 upon 3, the remainder will gonna remain 1. Okay, so b should be printed as a 1. Let's run your program, then it will send the remainder of this operation. Okay, so modulus is used to take the remainder of the values. Okay, and same strategy, double plus is indicate that the one time increment in your variable. Okay, double minus is indicate that a one time decrement in your values. Okay, now let's move to the Java assignment operators. Okay, so it is used to assign a value to the variable, as the name suggests, assignment. That means by using this operator, we will assign the values to the variable. Okay, so here here your x is a int type variable, and we are trying to assign the 10 into the x variable. So by using single equals to, we can assign the value into the our variables. Okay, and the addition uh, assignment operator, that is plus is equal to adds a value to the variables. Okay, so let's take an example of your assignments variable. Assignment variables. Okay, so you can define any variables like int z is equal to 60. Okay. So here you are trying to assign the value 60 into the z variable. Okay, here z is your empty, and by using this assignment operator, single equals to, we are trying to assign 60 into the z. Okay, and now if you are gonna print z, then it will print 60, because you had uh, assigned the 60 into the z. Okay, so this is called the assignment variable. Okay. So now let's move to the another Java comparison operator. So same as that is, as the name suggested. Comparison means we will compare two values. We will compare two values with each other. Then we will return the output. Like if we have declared two variables x and y, and we had assigned the values these two variable 5 and 3, then we will gonna compare these two variable by using comparison operator. This is your comparison operator. Okay, so by using this com comparison of operator, we will gonna compare these two variable, and based on the result, we will print the output. Okay, so your comparison operators are double equals to it. It told that if your variables are equal, then it will told that is true. Not equals to. Okay, so if your variables are not equal, this is told that the greater than, this is told that less than, same as it is. Okay, so let's see once the Java comparison operator, how comparison operators are work. So let's declare variables. Int x is equal to 5. You can take any values. Int y is equal to 3. Okay, so now I have to compare these two values, that which value is greater. Okay, so I will compare these two values. I will compare. So s out, x is greater than y. If it is true, then it will return true, and if it is false, then it will return false. Okay, so let's see. It will return true. Why? Because your x is greater than y, and the value of x is 5, and the value of y is 3. Then 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. That's why it will gonna return true. Okay, and same as it is, if you are gonna print your x is less than y, then that means here I'm trying to say that your 5 is less than 3, then it should return false. Okay, now let's run the program. See, it is gonna return false. Okay, so this is your comparison operator. Here we are trying to compare between two variables. Okay, and based on the performance, we are gonna return the result like true and false. Okay, so this is all about your Java comparison operator. Now Java logical operator. Okay, you can also test for the true or false values with a logical operators. Okay, by using your logical operator, you can test the true and false values. Okay, if your condition is being satisfied, then it will return true. If your condition is not satisfied, then it will return false. Logical operator are used to determine the logic between the variables and values. Okay, and we all have already familiar with the Java and operators, or operators, XOR operators, not operators. We have already familiar with these operators. Okay, so and operators. Okay, it will return true if your both statements are true. Okay, like if you are taking C, let's discuss your logical operators. logical operators. Okay, एक second. Logical operators. Okay, so in case of your logical operators, if I'm having binary digit like same as this, and second one is anything. Okay, so if I will try to apply and operation on these two binary number, then it will return if your both condition is true, like 1 and 0. Here your one condition is false and the second one is true, then it will gonna return false here. Okay, if your both condition are true, here your first condition is 1 and your second condition is also 1, then in this case it will gonna return true values. Okay, see, here your both condition are false, then it will return false. Okay, uh, that's how your AND operation is work, and this is called your Java logical operators. Okay, and same as it is, we are perform AND operation or operation in case of logical, or it is written true if one of the statement is true. Okay, if your single one statement is gonna true, then it will return the true. Okay, so this is all about your Java logical operators. See, let's take an example of your logical operators. So I will. So this is your Java logical operator. Okay, uh, it is not. So it is all about your operators in Java. So we had discussed about your arithmetic operator, we had discussed about your assignment operator, we had discussed about your logical operators. Okay, and we had also discussed about your comparison operator, that how would you gonna compare between two variables. Okay, so it is all about today. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. See you soon in our next video. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.